This is 1904 and a half. This is a triplex. It has a really pretty front yard and patio. It's on a very quiet corner lot. Next to it is a house. And then there is off-street parking. There's one space right there. There's 3 spaces, so 1 for each unit. So there's off-street parking there, and then you can easily walk in. So right now I'm gonna show you unit B. It does have its own washer and dryer. There's a tankless water heater, so it's very energy efficient. It's also spray foamed, so this is very cheap to pay the utilities. It has a mini split for cooling. We are gonna have blinds, we just haven't put them up yet. That's in process. So there's a washer and dryer, and then full kitchen with a dishwasher, all brand new appliances. Okay, and here's a storage closet, all brand new. This is the bathroom. It's a beautiful tile shower. Again, we are gonna have blinds. So this is the bathroom. And then this is the bedroom with its own mini split, so it stays nice and cool. And you can definitely fit a queen bed in here. So this is the bedroom. Again, there will be privacy. There's a nice sized closet here. Very big. I'd call it a half walk-in. And then it has its own entrance right here, which goes right out to the parking area, which I will show you. So you can literally step out your door and walk to your car. And this is the back alleyway. That's the neighborhood. So this is unit B, 1904 and a half, East 51st. I'm just gonna walk you through one more time. This is the bedroom. And then we have the really pretty bathroom, some storage. And then this is the living room. And this is the little kitchen.